Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to the macOS update video. Yesterday Apple released macOS Big Sur 11.4 Beta 1. Both developer and public beta versions are available. You need to register your Mac on the beta testing program on beta.apple.com if you wish to install this version. This beta came in around 5.66 GB on this MacBook Air, and depending on the version you are on, this should vary. As you can see, Apple mentions here, this macOS beta gives you an early preview of upcoming apps, features and technologies. Please back up your Mac and install on a secondary system or volume you are prepared to erase if necessary. So do not install it in your primary device. This beta took a while to install in this MacBook Air. As you can see, this is a 13-inch 2017 MacBook Air. And before that, I was actually on the public release, that is Big Sur 11.2.3. After installing, here is the new build number 20F5046G. Apple is yet to release macOS Big Sur 11.3 to the public, which is expected by early next week with iOS 14.5, but we are already on the 11.4 beta 1. Now, as this is a 0.1 update, that means from 11.3 to 11.4, we could expect some feature update in this release, but beta 1 is still pretty early stage and developers are digging in for some more details here. The only new feature that was mentioned in the release note was that this version adds support for graphics card based on the AMD Navi RDNA2 architecture. So basically it adds support for the AMD Radeon RX 6800, 6800 XT and 6900 XT graphics card. Apple might add these later on their Mac Pro lineup as well. With this update, Apple might add support for the new Hello screen that we are supposed to get with the new iMac announced in the spring-loaded event. Also, those iMacs will come with Touch ID enabled Magic Keyboard as well. So this macOS version might add some integration for that too. Apple is also going to introduce subscription services for the podcast app. So we might see some changes here as well. Right now, nothing new is detected. We should also expect some security patches and under the hood improvements in this version as well. Now, should you update? I don't think there is any reason to update to this version right now, especially if you are on a stable release. If you really want to try, go ahead and do that. The only thing I can confirm is that this OS is stable. In fact, I screen recorded and edited this video in this MacBook Air. After installing the macOS Big Sur 11.4 Beta 1, it's running okay so far. So this is my experience so far. Thank you for watching. Do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to TGT, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.